Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in with your work or school account. Once done, check your microphone and camera in settings so you won't troubleshoot mid-meeting. Then schedule via calendar new meeting. Add a clear title, participants, date, and time, and set a concise agenda in the description. If you need to begin right away, use the chat or calendar, then tap Join Now. That gets people connected fast and keeps your meeting on schedule. Once attendees join, control the flow. Open meeting options to decide who bypasses the lobby and who is a presenter versus attendee, because roles control sharing and mute privileges. Make sure to share the right source, screen, window, or PowerPoint live, and toggle Include computer sound when playing media. Use chat for links and files, reactions, and raise hand for quick cues, and create breakout rooms for focused work. If you need a record, start recording early so everyone's consent and context are captured. You close a meeting by stopping recording, then choose End Meeting for all so no one is left behind. Once ended, download or share the recording link and export the attendance report for follow-up. Add action items to Teams chat or planner to keep momentum. If someone loses audio, ask them to switch devices, check system mute, and confirm Teams permissions. As a last resort, tell them to leave and rejoin, because reconnecting often clears transient issues and restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.